Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Toyota Highlander Limited. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 270 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Limited badging. Gray leather interior. Sunroof. Rear climate controls, third row seating. Coming around back, you've got our 4-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate, power lift gate, fold down third row seats, all season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with an automatic car starter, keyless entry, JBL audio system, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, our media display. We've got our dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Toyota has 154,961 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmanimports.com.